Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can pin the Comet AI web browser to the taskbar in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm running the Comet AI web browser on my computer. And you can do this with both operating systems, guys, be it Windows 10 or Windows 11. It works actually the same way as with any other application. All you need to do, guys, is right click into the Comet AI browser running here at the bottom on your taskbar and select pin to task. Let me find it. As you can see, it's not in English, but in my native language, which is Polish for the operating system. But you will see that pin icon here to the left, guys. So you can simply use it. And there you go. Now the Comet AI browser has been pinned to the taskbar so that I may access it with my left mouse instead of heading over to the application installed here in Windows. So if you'd like to unpin it, do the same, right click into it and select unpin. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.